Hi, welcome to Resolve Chemistry. Let us discuss multiple choice questions which are being appeared in the Karnataka State Board examination of chemistry paper. Okay, let us start with first question, that is when a solid is dissolved in liquid, it is an endothermic process. Then what happens to the solubility? Okay, generally you should remember that endothermic process means when the temperature is increased, then the dissolution of the compound or any process is going to enhance. Here the option is increase, C option, that is with the increase in temperature, solubility increases. Okay, as it is endothermic process, right? So second question we will take. When the concentration of an electrolytic solution approaches zero, okay, and the resulting molar conductivity is known as, okay, actually what happens when the conductivity electrolytic solution, the concentration decreases to almost goes to zero, meaning is what? You have diluted to infinite level, okay, or dilution at infinite we call. So then what happens? Your molar conductivity reaches a limiting point, and beyond that there is no increase in the molar conductivity. So therefore answer is D option. Okay, so that is limiting molar conductivity. Then third question is, during discharging of lead storage battery, the correct half cell reaction, okay, at anode what happens during discharge? Okay, during discharge at anode Pb plus SO4 minus 2 to give PbSO4 is going to form, okay, plus 2 electrons you are going to get at anode. It happens at anode. So your option is B option. You can at anode Pb is converted into PbSO4 is the right option. Okay, then we will move on to the fourth question. The catalyst in chemical reaction provides an alternate pathway or reaction mechanism by decreasing energy of activation. Okay, it only enhances the rate of reaction by lowering the energy of activation. So your option is A, activation energy. And fifth question we will take. Which of the following pair of metal oxides are amphoteric in nature? For this question, how you have to approach is, which of the metals are in the middle oxidation state? Okay, neither the highest oxidation state or the lowest. If it is in the middle, so that is going to be amphoteric in nature because it can act as both acidic as well as basic. So therefore your option is A, that is vanadium pentoxide, right, and Cr2O3. Both are in the middle oxidation state. Here it is plus 3. Here it is plus 5 we can say, right? Then next is the correct IUPAC name of, okay, PTNS3 taken twice Cl2 is diamine dichloroplatinum 2, okay, complex. So therefore sixth option is again once again A. Okay, so next move on to the next question. Seventh question. The stereoisomer related to each other as non-superimposable mirror images. We know the definition of enantiomer. It is a definition of enantiomer. So therefore your option is A, that is enantiomer. Okay, so next we will move on to the next question. Eighth question we will. Anisole on treatment with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It is a Friedel-Crafts reaction, and we know that this anisole is having structure OCH3, okay, and it is a electron releasing or ring activating group. So therefore in presence of catalyst, what it is going to give? AlCl3. So it is going to form ortho para substituted derivative OCH3, okay, CH3, ortho and para anisole we are going to get, and your answer is the option C, ortho and para anisole. Eighth question, ortho and para anisole. Okay, then next is Ninth question, enzyme which can catalyze the conversion of glucose into ethanol. Okay, that enzyme is zymase enzyme. Okay, it is a remembrance type of question, zymase. Okay, option C. Okay, ortho and para, it is C option once again. Okay, 8th is C option, ortho para anisole, and 9th is also C option, that is zymase is the enzyme. 10th question, nucleophilic attack. Okay, we will write here C double bond O. So now your carbon is sp2 hybridized. Okay, so when the nucleophile is going to attack, if you add the nucleophile to this, right, carbonyl carbon nucleophilic attack leads to what? So the carbon's hybridization changes to sp3. So therefore your option is sp2 to sp3. B option, sp2 to sp3. Okay, then next is the decarboxylating reagent is a mixture of, okay, it is a mixture of 11, that is option C, that is NaOH plus CaO, calcium oxide. Okay, then next is to prepare para-nitroaniline. Okay, we want to prepare what? Para-nitroaniline we want to prepare. Okay, so therefore then how this NH2 group is protected? Okay, we are going to prepare this with what? Para-nitroaniline as a major product from aniline. The amino group is protected, means we have to protect this group initially. So therefore that is done by acetylation, option A. Okay, we are going to treat this with what you call acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride in presence of acid catalyst. Then what happens? NH2 group converts into acetanilide, and then we subject it for nitration to give para-nitroacetanilide, which is then hydrolyzed to give para-nitroaniline. Okay, then next is the reagent used to separate the mixture of methylamine and dimethylamine. Okay, for separation of this we are going to use, okay, so benzene sulfonyl chloride and KOH. Benzene sulfonyl chloride and KOH we are going to use for the separation of, this is the B option you can take. Then 14th question is, so the carbohydrate which is also known as animal starch and stored in the animal body, generally you know that one glucose is converted into glycogen in the liver and it is being stored in the various fat tissues. Okay, so therefore glycogen is referred as what? Animal starch. Glycogen is the option, third option. Okay, next last question we will take, which vitamin deficiency causes the disease called ciliasis? So this disease is related to the digestion, food digestion. Okay, and it is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B2. Okay, option B, and your answer is vitamin B2. Then let us look into the fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks, in that you have been given option as ionic charge, Grignard reagent, benzene disonium chloride, collision frequency, molality and molarity as the options, and we will take one by one question, right? The first question is the number of moles of solute present in a kilogram of solvent. It is a molality, you know that answer. Okay, therefore 16th answer is molality. And the 17th question is the number of collision per second per unit volume of the reaction mixture is known as, okay, it is known as collision frequency. The transition metals form large number of complexes because of what? High ionic charge we call. Okay, 18th is, 19th question is the common name of alkyl magnesium halide. It is referred as Grignard reagent, we know that. Okay, Grignard reagent. And 20th question, that is the formula of benzene disonium chloride, that is C6H5N2 plus Cl minus, that is benzene disonium chloride. Okay, I hope you got with all the answers of multiple choice question and you fill in the blanks. Thank you for watching.